All right, today we're gonna go down the rabbit hole. I got my negative battery disconnected. What we gotta do is, man, she's pretty windy. Everything's blowing over. This lock has long been MIA, missing, and I need to get this off. So I'm thinking of taking the plasma cutter, cut the lock off. You know, trying to get a sawzall in there would be a pain. Lots of things would be a pain. I think maybe just a plasma cutter will make a good job of that. And for that, I got this Reboot RBC 4500, $300 Amazon special, which is kick butt. I'll probably zip that off with ease. This thing is pretty awesome. That's pretty thick. We'll go 32 amps.